Hello, Tech Savvy. Ready to tackle a tech challenge together? How to create a timeline filter in Excel. Are you struggling to filter dates in Excel quickly and visually? You're in the right place. This video will guide you step by step on how to create and use a timeline filter in Excel efficiently. Let's begin. Select your data table that contains a column with dates. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. In the dialog box, choose where to place the pivot table, either a new sheet or an existing sheet. Click on the OK button. Drag a field with numeric or category data into the Values area. Drag the date column into the Rows area. Click anywhere inside the pivot table to activate the PivotTable Analyze tab. Click on Insert Timeline in the Filter group. In the pop-up box, select the column that contains date values and click OK. A timeline box will appear on your sheet. Drag it and resize as needed. Use the drop-down on the timeline to switch between year, quarter, month, or day view. Click and drag the timeline bar to filter your pivot table results. There you go. You now know the ways to insert and use a timeline filter in Excel. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.